Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm sharing with you here a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I think you will find the clip very interesting. Okay, that's the most important chart in this video. No doubt whatsoever. This is absolutely amazing chart. This is the chart of the Shanghai 50 of China. That's the monthly. And as far as I'm concerned, it's all over. It's all over for China. And for those who are not awake, they are going to be awakened very quickly. The broker is going to phone them. He's going to tell them, sorry, your liquidity was wiped out in the crash. Because this is a crash in the making. And I reserve the right to be wrong. Yes, Mr. Market could still rule that I am wrong here. But if I can say anything, is that I am feeling very confident that we got the final clear, all clear signal. Let go. The bear is now engulfing, is pouncing on China. Nothing is going to be left. The Chinese market is going to go into an absolute nosedive. It's going to be a bloodbath that we haven't seen for a long time. It's going to be a replay or maybe something worse than what we have seen here. And you understand now why I don't think that the US could escape if we have something like that. Some commentators think that the US is going just for 5-10% correction. No way. If China is breaking down towards 1,500, 1,000, even lower, the US is not going to stay at lofty highs. Australia is going to be totally wiped out. Lots of markets in Asia are going to be wiped out. Who is not going to be affected? China, the second largest economy in the world, is going to be going into a nosedive here. So take this into account. This is more than just Sears. This is it. You know, that's it. There is nothing else. Here's the monthly, and we haven't yet finished the month. Now, when I'll show you the weekly, you will begin to see the seriousness of the situation here. Do you see? Do I need to say anything? We haven't seen anything like that for years. For years and years and years and years. Don't believe me, just go and check. This is the worst week we have seen here for many, many, many years. Maybe we have seen something comparable around here. Yes, in those weeks we have seen something, but I'm not even sure. It's possible it's the worst for years and years. I don't know, you might have to go back, I don't know how many years, but this is definitely a total disaster what happened this week. Look, just to put it in perspective. In 1 week, it wiped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 weeks of market action. So all the guys who bought since late March showing a slight loss or completely are wiped out. Yes, and as I explained to you, there's mountain of hot money, margin money sitting on the way here, and this normally is resolved in a very, very violent way. And that's exactly what we are seeing here. And that's why I'm pretty confident that this is not going to be just another correction. I think this one is the real one. Let's see, here's the daily. Just look how the extent of the drop expanded and became looking more and more miserable as time was going through this in the past week. We came around here, and I already told you when it was here that I was sensing that there might be a crack in China. We were around here, and I even went further, and I put a 1-2, and we'll have to go to see the 60 minutes. You can't say I was absolutely on top of it. There is no way in the world this one escaped me. That was a 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my wave count. I put it several days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. It came down. I said to you, this is likely a 1-2. I said to you, it looks even more ominous because that looks like another 1-2. And look what happened. So by now I have no doubt. I have no doubt. That's a 1-2. That's possibly another 1-2. Or just all hell breaks loose here and it just collapses. Forget about the wave count. It's just going to melt. It's going to crash. Just in case you would like to have further information or to learn more about my website, I thought of introducing very briefly my website here. That is the front page, and if you scroll down, you will see there are quite a few examples of recent clips that I added. I also have a lot of charts here. If you're interested, there are a lot of charts that you can study, examples of past market action. There are also more charts here under resources at the chart galleries. You have chart galore number 1, number 2, plenty of charts. You've got useful links, recommended reading list, okay, terms of use, private policy. You can get in touch with me if you have any issue, any question whatsoever. Here the description of the services, okay, and in fact, this you will see once you log in. It will let you see what you subscribe to, okay? So if you subscribe to the Wave Mastery daily service video, you'll get that. If you subscribe to the weekend service, you'll get that. But before subscribing, you might want to actually take a look at a trial. Okay, so you can actually have a trial of the daily video service, the full service. You click right here, and it takes you to the page of the trial. It's 7 calendar days. It only costs €2.99. Okay, €2.99. You can pay with PayPal. It gives you access to the archive. You can also get in touch with me if you have specific questions. I will do my best to answer that. That is the daily service trial, and that's the daily service, the full scale. Then we have the Wave Mastery weekend video service trial. This is also priced at only $2.99. It gives you 12 calendar days. You get 2 long videos with that, okay, fresh videos, and you get access to the archive. And again, you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. That is the issue of the trial. Here on the main page you have some articles that you might want to have a look at, and that's the very brief introduction of my website. Hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.